everyone, welcome back to the Glamorous Tube. Hi to the new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome to everybody that's old that supports me already. Hi guys, how y'all doing? Well, today guys, I came to do an unboxing. I had this stuff for days, y'all. For real. I had it for days. And I just decided to relax, clean up, and to bring you guys a video. It's nothing, too much, but we have an unboxing and haul, and we first going to get into this little box, and it's goodies always because I love makeup and makeup loves me. Well, this box is from the Crayon Case, and we have here, now y'all know, we have here a highlighter. It's the highlighter powder, and it is Rosy Gloser. And I got it in this color, which is pink. It's like a pinkish. I really, really wanted it, so I had to get it. By the way, you guys already know I'm a highlight freak, and I call it Soul Glow. So if you knew, you guys, if you hear me say Soul Glow, that's my highlight. I think I make my soul glow with the highlight. That's one thingy. We have here the Hall Pass collection. I only got one of them, and it's the color that I really, really thought that was cute, and it's Private Party. How do you open this stuff? Good Lord. They got it locked and loaded. Even in the box. Look guys, I thought that was so cute. When I ordered it, she didn't have any lip pencils, so I gotta go back and get those. It's a lip pencil to go with this. Really, really good. I think it's called Bear. I'm not sure, but this is Private Party. Look how nice that is. Don't have a smell. Normally most of them have smells. Smell good. But this is a cute lip gloss. I thought it was cute. What else is in this box? I ordered some the eraser sponges. I got 2 of these. And I got them for, like when I set under my eyes, my contour, to put it on. Not to blend it, but to put it on. So that's it out of this little cute box. I like that little cute box. Let's see what's next. Next, we have an Ulta box. Yeah, there we go. And they got this one locked and loaded as well. We got bubbles. It's like I'm a kid showing y'all the goodies when I know what it is. I still get excited. And we have 2 new eyeshadow palettes. We have 2 new eyeshadow palettes. This is the Makeup Revolution chocolate. Oh, we gotta turn this one around. Chocolate. I think these were really cute, and not to be funny, they were on sale. Like, they were really cheap for me, so I grabbed the ones that I really, really liked. These were the only 2 that was on sale, and this one is Chocolate Love, and this one is Chocolate Vice. Let us try to open it up, you guys. And give us see how our palette look. Don't smell like chocolate. A little bit. It's not real chocolatey though. Wow. Look at here. Look at here. If y'all can see, I'm gonna turn it around. Look, y'all. I want that pink. I want that pink. I got this palette all for the pink. Pink is my favorite color. And I'm going to use that pink. Let's see if we can get us a couple of swatches in. Well, it don't swatch off really good. See it? You can barely see that pink. So that lets me know right away. I might not be working with nothing. That's why they cheap. I guess. Nope. They're not showing up really. Oh, that one did. What was the one? Let's see what name that was that rubbed off for us really good. We don't have the names on the back of them. Oh, Smooth. Rubbed off really good. I went in with Pink and Perfect. That didn't show really good. Let's see what the chocolate does. Oh, the chocolate's going to show up. Okay. Let's see what... That was chocolate. Let's see what Premium does. Premium, oh, that one's going to show up too. Can you see? Let me put it better for you guys. You can see Premium. Premium looks like a highlighter. It's cute. Then we have Filling. We're going to go in with Filling. Yep, that's going to show too. It really looks like they say. Then we're going to go in with Love. Let's see how Love come out. Oh, Love's not bad. Love can be like for the brow bone. Treat looks like Love to me. But we're going to squash it anyway. Slider, whiter. We're going to go in with Chip. Chip. I guess chocolate chip. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. Then we have Treat. Not bad. That one's cute. Okay, we got Whipped, Candy, Flavor, and Genic. Okay, we're gonna see. This is the Genic. You see Genic? It's not bad. Here's the Treat. Treat is right there. What else did I say? Oh, we're gonna go with Hard and Whipped. Hard is cute. And last but not least, we have Whipped. Whipped look like a highlighter as well. Okay. Let's go in with the other one. And this one is Chocolate Vice. Let's see what we're working with this one. This one smells like it's chocolate. Chocolate Vice smell like it's chocolate. Let's show y'all the colors. I thought the shades were so pretty. Pretty. Okay, we're gonna go in with Vice first. Vice also looks like a highlighter to me. Let's rub this in. Vice look like a highlighter. Feeling all so silky smooth. After Vice, we have Sway. Sway was cute. We have Satisfy. Satisfy is cute as well. We have Require. We have Convert. Convert is right here. We have Treat. Treat is brown. I like that. We have Reasons. The reasons that we are here. I'm a nut, ain't I? Oh, Reasons is cute. I like Reasons. Look. Let's turn this wrist this way. I like Reasons. Okay, we have Must. Must is adorable too. Must look like an orangey nude to me. We have Magnificent. It's like a rust color right here. We have Fancy. Oh, yes. I like Fancy. We have Appeal, and that's a white. Then we have Lust. Put Lust right here. Lust is right here. It's like a black shimmer. We have Crave. Crave is here. It's like a bronzy. I like that. Then we have Need. And Need is going to go right here. Let's see Need. It's a 10 as well. Then we have Persuade. Oh, Persuade is beautiful. Beautiful. We're going to do a fall look with this. Then we have Habit. Let's see Habit. Habit is cute as well. That is our Makeup Revolution palettes, and that was the Ulta boxing. Okay, let's see what else we have here on this floor. I don't know. How you guys been? How was your weekend? Well, today was my Sunday, and I cleaned, I cooked. Oh, dinner was so delicious. It was really good. I had, what did you guys have? I had fried tilapia, the wild caught. I had homemade collard greens, homemade macaroni and cheese. I made muffins, and I know it's too much starch, but I can't help it, and I gotta have it rice. It was also good. Also good. Oh, this is what's in the other box. It was a Morphe box, and we have the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and Ring the Alarm. I didn't want the whole palette because when I went to Ulta, I seen it. They was talking about it, talking about the reviews, but I told you I have to see what I want for myself, and these are the shades that I really like, the Ring the Alarm. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna check the Ring the Alarm out. Oh, this is cute. Why don't we? I seen it, so I ordered it. If you guys can see, those colors are really, really cute. We have Lolly, we have Rush, On Camera, Boom, Alert, Bomb Ass, Siren, Mug, Shot Frame, and Secret. We gonna tear these up. Okay, let's try to swatch some of them, y'all. This is Alert. It came up beautiful. If you guys can see Alert. I'm gonna do it on this side so you guys can see, because my lighting is very bright. You see it? That's Alert. This is Secret. That's Secret. This is Mugshot. Oh, nice. Feels smooth too. Not as bad as everybody said. Tells you I have to do things on my own. This is Siren. Oh, that's cute. It's like a burgundy. I'm gonna tap into that for fall color. This is Bomb Ass. That is beautiful. Bomb Ass is beautiful. This is Boom. Y'all can't see, so I'm gonna make some room down here. Boom. This is On Camera. Don't mind me, guys. I got this. I meant to tell y'all that in the beginning. I have this scarf on and I wrap it around like a headband to lay them edges, to milk my edges. That is Rush. Last but not least, we have Lolly. La 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 la. Did I squash up with another one? Let me go back. Let's go back. No, I didn't. That's the way it came out. And Lolly doesn't even look like that. You guys just saying it was pink. Okay. That was that box. Now let's go to another box. The last box. The last box. All this, if y'all could see this big old box. Look how big this box is. This big old box. All for my concealer. That big old box. Oh, they gave me samples to Republica. Republica. Oh, no wonder. Republica is for men. I'm like, I'm not wearing that. That'll go to my husband. It had a strong smell. Not like a strong smell, but like it's a male smell. Not for women. This is... what is this? Juliet Has a Gun. It's Juliet Has a Gun. And it's for women. It's a sample. Clean. Smell clean. Not bad. Not nothing I would normally buy. And last but not least, here's my Sephora Make No Mistakes concealer. Well, guys, I just wanted to come and do an unboxing haul with you guys. We did it. I'm going to come back on another video and do a try to attempt to do a fall look with this Jaclyn Hill palette. But maybe we can mix and match because I seen some colors out of this one and the Chocolate Vice that'll go good for fall colors. So, guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. I thank each and every one of y'all so much. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you guys for coming. Thanks for supporting me. Until next time.